You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Another super interesting word, it comes from French, okay, so hence the confusion in the spelling. That's why you have two R's and two T's. Those two R's and two T's don't do anything, it's just French. French is complicated for no reason. Anyhow, just consider one R, one T. In French it's said as barrette, barrette, okay? That explains why in English it is said as barrette, a schwa sound, ret, barrette. The stress is on the second syllable in English. Now, sometimes, especially in the US, the first b sound is sort of skipped, and you go from the B to the R and pronounced as Brett, Brett, okay? So barrette or Brett, both pronunciations are correct because it's from French, barrette or Brett. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.